Want to make it easier for your readers to find your books and find a way to stand out on Amazon? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Amazon Author Central account. My name is Ashley of Shep Publishing, where we help new and first-time authors publish profitably with efficient and effective marketing strategies. Let's dig in. So here you'll see one of my books that I have, New Mom Thoughts, Real Questions for Moms with Real Feelings. And just below that book, you'll see a place where readers can click to find out my information on my Amazon Author Central account. Now, this is a place where you can collect all of your books that you have. You can also add additional material such as videos, blog posts, other links that are going to help your readers learn more about you. You can also add a bio in here as well, and readers have the choice to follow you so that they can get notifications and updates when you release something new. Additionally, like I said earlier, they will be able to see the different formats of your books, and that just makes it easier for them to purchase from you as well. So how do you set this up? First, you want to head to author.amazon.com, and there you will be able to set up your Amazon Author Central account. Now, this is something where you're going to be able to log in with your Amazon KDP account, same way as you normally would. And when you first open it, you'll have a space. It'll say welcome, and it'll ask you to add in your books. And you can do that a couple of different ways. If your book is newly released, it's not going to populate by your name or by the name of the book right away. You might have to type in your name. You might also want to put in your ISBN number. That is that identifier that's on the back of your book on the barcode. That makes it very easy to categorize your book. And so you would type that in, and then after a day or so, you'll get approved for your Amazon Author Central account. And what that means is there's a few things in here that you can manage and kind of dig through to be able to add those other items so that your readers can see on the public view. So here are my books, and you'll notice that I have a pseudonym that I use for my food business and then my government name. And in order to have those merge on the same account, I did have to make that request to Amazon. So if you are someone who is using pseudonyms or names that you're okay with them being on the same account, you're not trying to hide something, you're not hide, I shouldn't say that. You're not trying to separate yourself as in different genres, then you can request that they combine your accounts. If you would like to use different names on different accounts, you don't have to do that step. But so on here, you can see certain things about your book. So for example, it'll have all your books. You can see your reviews for all of your books. You can see your sales ranking. You can see customer reviews, like I said earlier. And so for this one, it has my books here. You can adjust the marketplace. So maybe you want to switch to a different country. And it'll also show you your historical sales ranking. So let's take a step back. Here you'll be able to see the different versions of your book, the different formats of your book, and then also their rankings as well. And then you can see your historical sales rank. So maybe you are trying to get that Amazon bestseller status, or you're trying to see how low your ranking was one day, because low means high when it comes to book sales on Amazon. And so you can see historically what your value is, and you can do it for different time periods. Also, you can see, so let's go back to the homepage. You can also see your reviews. And sometimes this is good if you want to do marketing, if you want to just get some good screenshots. So you could literally just screenshot these and repost it, and it will also take you to the link on the book as well. And so that's a helpful tip to have in case you were trying to encourage others to leave reviews. You can show current reviews that are already there. Okay, let's go back to that reports and marketing. So the weekly sales report, this one will show you kind of so your total number of books that you've sold. You can disaggregate it by the individual books. You can add all your fancy little markers here to see what are the amounts that you sold each week. If that's important to you, maybe you were running a promotion and you wanted to see, okay, what were the effects of that promotion? This is also helpful if you're someone who likes to track trends. So for me, for example, January and December are huge months for my books. And so maybe that tells me, okay, well, in these summer months, I might need to do some different type of promotion in order to increase sales. Or maybe I really need to dig in and go a little further on those time periods where the sales are already doing well. And you can actually download this also. And okay, let's go back to the homepage. So if you go to profile, then this is where you can add your customizations. So you can add your author profile picture. You can add biographies in multiple languages. If your book is written in multiple languages, maybe you want to add a bio in more than one language. That's a great option so people can learn more about you. If you need to get the link to your author page, you can create that link here. If you have a blog on your website, you can actually do what's called an RSS feed, and it will pull new blog posts from your website and insert them onto your author page, which you can kind of see here, and they'll show up like this. And then it takes the person to check that out further. You can also add videos. And so adding relevant videos that fit your topic. So for example, my book is about the Daniel fast, which is mostly a vegan diet with prayer and devotion within it. And so I did a video talking about that, and then also have a Facebook group that ties to that as well. So you can upload those things here so that way they're visible on your Amazon author page. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you need help setting this up, please just drop a comment below or reach out to us via email at info@sheppublishing.com. Thank you.